kababayan ng GTV Philippines po. Nandito ngayon si Joe Olea sa Don Juan o Little Don Juan Restaurant. Papatingnan nyo naman. Oh, isang order pa lang yan. Ito ay pang-isahan lang pero pwede na isang pamilya. Talaga naman napakarami. Kaya ano pa kung ginagawa natin, abay tara na, kain na sa Don Juan o Little Don Juan Restaurant, mga kababayan. Maraming salamat at mabuhay po tayo.
Dapat tayo palapakan dyan. Hindi ko pilitin niyo yung business.
Kaya po ba Sir Jojo, supportive. Sir Jojo.
Pilitin niyo yung business. Pilitin niyo yung business at pilitin natin yung dito. Sir Jojo. Wow! So, i-wish na din natin na sana maging successful pa po ang inyong kumpanya. Wow! Expansion. So, doon po kayo napag-focus sa expansion team.
Yeah, we enjoyed the food from Don Juan. 10 over 10.
Best food na to, Tagaytay.
Bulalo, dapat. Yeah, second on the Yes.
Okay na.
From Maribeles, Bataan.
Okay, nakasanyo pa, nakasanyo.
Ay,
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Eat at Don Juan, it's very affordable and delicious. And the food here is really enjoyable. And it's very tasty. Yeah.
Bulalo is the best!
We're from Maribeles.
Thank you.
Visit Don Juan.